So OpusClip is the #1 AI video clipping tool out here right now. And you guys may ask, what the heck is video clipping? Let's go ahead and talk about it. What's going on, you guys? It is CJ Brand here today, and so we're going to be talking about OpusClip. This, okay, man, look, I'm stunned for words. Honestly, I can't lie to you. This tool right here has been game changing for me. Literally, just less than 24 hours ago, I was literally just sitting here editing, 2 clips from like my long form videos for the videos I just dropped on my channel, and I'm like, dang bro, this really takes a long time. Like, I'm taking them from Premiere Pro, then I like to take mine to CapCut, but then I gotta transfer it to my phone and then do all the other funky stuff with it. This OpusClip AI tool takes care of all the editing for me. All I now gotta do is go ahead and edit my long form videos, post it on YouTube, grab that link, or even I can just upload it before I post it. Then OpusClip is then going to take that long form video and give me 10 viral clips. Now, when I say viral clips, pretty much what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and scrub through the whole entire video to figure out where you have an engaging hook at, where the flow is also great, and then also what clip is pretty much going to grab the most viewers' attention, and then it's going to go ahead and spit it back out to you. Like, so you get 10 of these per one video. It's pretty dope. I can't lie to you at all. Now, pretty much what it does is, well, after you go ahead and add it to the little software, it's going to add on some captions for you. It's also going to highlight the captions for you as well. But then check this out. This is something that I really love about it too. It's going to then find relevant B-roll clips to go ahead and add into those viral clips for you as well. So, it's just pretty much an AI tool that's going to help us out, with our I'm going to say my workflow pretty much. Like I said, I'm already taking 2 hours to edit a YouTube video. Now I got to take another 2 to 3 hours to find out what clips I really want to use and repurpose all over social media for YouTube, Instagram, and also TikTok. We ain't got to do that no more. OpusClip takes care of all of that for us. Now, not only does this go ahead and trickle down as a video clipping AI tool for us as well, this also does trickle down as a social media scheduler as well too. So like I said, once you go ahead and upload that one video, you do get 10 viral clips. You can go ahead and schedule these clips to be posted on everywhere, pretty much. Like I said, your YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, strictly through OpusClip as well. Now, you may ask, how much does this platform cost? Well, it does have a subscription plan available on there. However, you can go ahead and use this program for free. The only caveat to that is you will get watermarked on there, and then you also have a 60-minute video processing time only. And what that pretty much means is that you're gonna get 60 free minutes pretty much per month. So it's really not that bad, but at the same exact time, why would you want to limit yourself when you can just go ahead and pay 15 bucks a month and take advantage of this AI tool? Let's go, man. Let's get it. So let me know what you guys think about OpusClip. I personally love it. It's really amazing. I'm about to go ahead and use OpusClip once I get done editing this video. But until next time, you guys, the brand is out. Peace.